A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of 11th class, subject Botany, Boys Higher Secondary School, Nagari. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, today on 9th of July 2021, our topic is herbarium. This herbarium is also a taxonomic aid, and before this herbarium we have discussed the one more taxonomic aid, that was botanical gardens. Now today our topic is herbarium. So what is this herbarium? Herbarium is a storehouse of collected plant specimens that are dried, pressed and preserved on sheets. So dear students, you should remember that this herbarium is nothing but it is a storehouse of collected plant specimens. Different types of plant specimens are collected, and then those are dried and then pressed and then preserved on herbarium sheets. So this is called the herbarium, and it has the information for research for plant species of different kinds. And we will see also the role of herbarium, and you will know what is the importance of this herbarium. So what is done then? First of all, this collected species, plant specimens are collected, and then those are dried, then pressed, then preserved on herbarium sheets, and it becomes a storehouse of these collected plant specimens, and it is called the herbarium. These sheets are then arranged according to universally accepted system of classification, and you also know the different types of classifications like artificial, natural and phylogenetic. So phylogenetic is the universally accepted classification today and is accepted throughout the world. So these sheets are then arranged according to universally accepted system of classification. These specimens, along with their description on herbarium sheets, become a storehouse for future studies. So what is done? These plant specimens are then pasted on the herbarium sheets, and the description is laid down on those herbarium sheets, where from this plant species has been collected, what is its local name, botanical name, etc. And this is the information. So these specimens, along with their description on herbarium sheets, become a storehouse for future studies. The herbarium sheets carry information about, so what type of information they provide us, these herbarium sheets. The herbarium sheets carry information about the local name. Local name of the plant is seen on the herbarium sheet. Botanical name, what is its botanical name. English name, what is its English name, that is found on the herbarium sheets, and that is the description of this plant specimen. Herbarium also serves a quick referral system in taxonomic studies. So for the taxonomic studies, for the purpose of taxonomic studies, this helps us, and it is a quick referral system. Example: Central National Herbarium of Indian Botanical Garden, Kolkata. It provides, this is the Central National Herbarium of Indian Botanical Garden, Kolkata. It provides us information about the taxonomic studies. So now we will see the role of herbarium, what type of role it played for the humans. So the role of herbarium is, number one, the specimens preserved in herbaria offer study when needed. The herbarium sheets have the plant specimens, and they have the description, and when we preserve them, they provide us they offer the study when needed. Whenever any person needs those information, it provides that is provided to the said person. So the specimens preserved in herbarium offers study when needed. Second role is the type specimens, on the description of which the species names are established or kept in safe rooms with. So one type of specimens are called the type specimens, and on the type specimens, these are the plant specimens called the type specimens. They have the description of which the species they have their names, the local name, botanical name, their this functions, their applications are written on this herbarium sheets about these type specimens. So those type specimens are kept in safe rooms with limited access, and everyone is not allowed to enter that rooms where these type specimens are preserved. Third is the herbarium offers a facility for identification of plant specimens on site as well as by post. So this herbarium also provides a facility for identification of plant. Any kind of plant, any type of person wants to know its identification, its botanical name, etc. So that this facility is provided to the person on site as well as by post. Fourth one is the herbarium have become centers for research in plant taxonomy, morphology, etc. So the morphological nature of the plants, their taxonomy, etc. If anyone reads about the taxonomy or wants any kind of help about taxonomy, morphology of any kind of plant specimen, the herbarium provides that type of facility to the each and every person. So these were the roles played by the herbarium for the humans, for the man. So this was all about today's lecture, herbarium and its role. I hope you have understood now. This is a short question, taxonomic aid, herbarium and its role, and in this way we have completed our today's topic. Now tomorrow we will take one more taxonomic aid. So stay home, stay safe till tomorrow. Thank you very much.